Hello, I'm Emma. Everyone is welcome to Einhub to earn money online. We have been helping you make money online for years. We look forward to serving you in the same way for a long time to come. Through this video, you can learn how to properly create and effectively verify a Bitfinex account. Also, if you create a Bitfinex account through our website, you can get our trading signals for free. So, register through our link. First, visit our Einhub website. Go to Best Crypto Exchange in its menu, where you can find Bitfinex registration link. Otherwise, register via Bitfinex link in YouTube description. First, enter your email address. Provide a username of your choice. Also provide a strong password. Next, enter the name of your country of residence. Select how you found out about Bitfinex. Enter these fields in place of referral code. If you came through our link, it will automatically fall into this. Click tick to agree with the terms and conditions. Now download Google Authenticator app on your phone. Scan the QR code through this app. Then enter the Bitfinex OTP code of the application here and click the Enable button. Bitfinex will send a confirmation message to the email address you provided. Click the Confirm Email Address button. Log in to your account now. Submit using the tick to agree to the service and terms. Your account has been created successfully. Now let's verify this account. Click on the Verify button. We recommend the Basic Plus verification process. Select the document type you are verifying. Click on Scan Documents. Now scan the QR code with your phone. Scan your selected document. After that, verify your face. Do not wear glasses and hats during face verification. Now enter your personal details. All the information should be same as the documents provided by you. After successfully completing this step, your Bitfinex account will be verified within a few minutes. If verification failed, try again. Create a Bitfinex account through our link and get free signals. And subscribe to us. Contact us immediately if you need any help. More via our Einhub website.